Welcome back to my channel Education Hub. Point 48.
Speeding. He got a ticket for speeding. Money laundering. Money laundering is illegal. Compensation. I received compensation for the loss. Shoplifting. He got in trouble for shoplifting. Escapee. The escapee was found. Handcuffs. The police put handcuffs on him. Bail. He paid the bail to get out. Kidnapper. The kidnapper offered candy to the child. Hit and run. The police are looking for a hit and run driver. Libel. Libel is a written lie that hurts someone. Freedom. She wanted freedom. Traffic violation. Running a red light is a traffic violation. Mafia. Movies often show stories about the mafia. Counterfeit money. Counterfeit money was found. Fake money. Forgery. Forgery of documents is illegal. Deforestation. Deforestation is harming wildlife. Fraud. They were charged with fraud. Vandalize. I saw someone vandalize a parked car. Identity theft. Identity theft is a serious crime.
Thanks for watching Education Hub. Point 48. Subscribe for more videos.